Wait. Good, wait, okay. Go get it. For reasons I cannot understand, you always turn your back to me, no matter where I go and stand. Dude, there you go. Are they yummy? Those are just delicious, aren't they? Yeah, still got some more in there. Any more left? Yeah, you got one more. Dad, better check where you've been. Make sure you didn't miss any. Let's see here. Let's see if there's any more in it. Any more in here? Let's see. Oh. Nope, you cleaned it right out. Way to go, bud. That does it. Yeah, it's all empty now. Good job, huh? It's empty. Nobody else is coming out.